Hi, it's Mike at Phase 1. We live in a world of smart things. You can even get a smart fridge, a smart washing machine, smart everything. Today, I'm going to show you a new product that we're selling, and it's a laser, and it's smart. It's the Citronic Smart Animate, and I can control it using a phone. Let's have a look at it. Right, so here's the unit. This is the Citronic Animate Smart. It's a little laser. When I say little, yeah, it's little in size, but it's not little in power or in features. I'll just read a couple of the specs off here first, though, before we get down to the interesting stuff. It weighs 1.89 kilos, so nearly 2 kilos. It's DMX. We've got 16 channels of DMX. We've got auto, sound, master slave, and Bluetooth, which I will get to. We've got 16 channels of DMX. And its laser power is 1600 milliwatt, which I am going to guess that is across 3 colours, which I'm guessing is RGB. So, what has caught my attention about this laser? Right, it's the fact that we can control it. I literally took this home over the weekend, and I'm not a one for reading instruction manuals. I downloaded an app, put it on my phone, and I took control of this laser. It's got loads of built-in stuff, so it's got loads of built-in animations, it's got loads of built-in effects, tunnels, flat beams and all that. But what you can do is you could add text. So via my phone, I typed in what I wanted to project. I just sent it to the phone, so it connects via Bluetooth. So I do what I want on the phone and then I send it. I'm going to show you a couple of the things that I did set up at home. You could choose the colour, you can choose how it's animated, and all the different text styles and everything. So the control I thought was brilliant. But when I dived deeper into the app, and I'm going to show you some bits of the app, but it's going to be a bit tricky for me to film me using the app and then actually showing the results. But I did find it was very intuitive, it was easy to use. So the text, for instance, I could type in the characters that I want, and then I could do another line of text and add it, and I could adjust the time of how long that text was being projected for. Then I can change the colours, I could change the font, and again I'm going to show you it on, and I'll show you the bits that I managed to program using it. Also using this has got loads of animations built into it. I think there's 50 plus animations. A lot of Christmas stuff in there, so there's like Happy Christmas, New Year, and all them type of things. Congratulations. We've seen these type of things before. But what we've usually found is when you put the laser on and you start using it, it's like there's a big percentage of those animations you don't want to see. Like there's one of a big golden eagle flying bird. I don't really want to project that. Now, using the app, you can choose which animations you want to use. So if you were going to use it for a Christmas party or a Christmas event and you just wanted to project Merry Christmas with a Christmas tree, there will be an animation in there, and you can select that in the app and just show that and put that on a loop, and then it will not show all of the rest of the maybe not significant projections that you want to think. You know, it will leave stuff out for you. So I thought that was really smart. You could even as well, you can draw freehand your own design. So if you wanted to draw a heart with your freehand on, and it would be better if you did, I use my finger to do it, but I think if you had a stylus on your phone and you drew in like a heart, then you can choose the colour of the heart, then you can choose how that's going to be animated. If you want it spinning, do you want it moving up and down, move it left and right. You can also set the zones of where it's going to project to. Dead easy. What's also really good about this is once you've told it via the app what you want to do and then you press send, it sends it and it seems to remember it. So right now I've got a couple of things on here which I'm going to show you. One says Phase 1 DJ Store, and I don't need to have the app on. I've used the app to program it, sent it across on Bluetooth, and now I can just plug that in and it will show the animations and the text that I have put in without having the phone even connected to it. But it is that simple to use. I reckon you could do it on the fly. So you were say you were at a gig, you could go, oh, do you know what, someone's come over and said, can you say happy birthday to Fred? Easy. Just type it in, send it, animate, done. You can also control a lot of the animations that are inside there, so like your flat beams and your tunnels and all these wave effects. You can control them and how they move and how they move slowly, how big they are. I just thought the control on it was amazing. Now, I'll be honest, I only played around with this for about half an hour, and I managed to get it to do what I wanted it to do, and I found it very intuitive and it just worked. I think with a little bit more work and a little bit more effort and a bit more time spent with it, I think you'd be surprised at the level of control you could possibly take with this. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how bright it is. I'm going to show you what I put in as a text and how that is saved to the unit. I will do some quick shots of the app, but I think the app is it's there to download. You don't have to buy the unit. You could go onto the App Store, and I know it's available for Apple and Android. I've only downloaded it for Apple because I've got an iPhone, but you could download it now, and it's called Light Elf, and that's L-I-G-H-T Elf, E-L-F, all one word. Download the app and have a look at it. And then if you feel like, oh yeah, I'd really like to go, so you can download that for free without having to buy this. So I'd recommend that you download the app and have a play around with it. Obviously, you can't do anything with it apart from mess about with it on your phone. You would need the laser to make it all come to life. So I am going to show you how bright it is. We will show you some stuff in some smoke as well, some effects in smoke and the different effects that we can get with that, because I do think it's quite bright. It is really, really bright. I'm going to show you the animations that I put in, and I'll show you some of the animations that are built in, but remember, don't let some of the animations that you see turn you off, because I have seen lasers before when you've got these animations in of a, I don't know, a dancing green frog. I don't want to see that at my event, but with this, we can actually turn it off via the phone. You tell it which animations you want it to show, send that information to the laser, and it remembers it. I just think this is a really interesting product. I think it's nice and bright, and it's plenty smooth. The movement on it is very fluid, but it's the control. The control on it is so intuitive and so easy to use. So let's have a look at it on. Right, so my phone isn't currently connected to it, controlling it, but this is the text that I added, like I said, when I was using it at home. And I managed to type this text in. You can tell I've used different colours. I've used a couple of different fonts. And that just works. I could have chosen, if I wanted, say, that bit there, Phase 1 DJ Star, I could have had that in green. I could have had it in blue. I can have it how I want. I think there's about 3 different fonts to use as well. And what I did there was 3 separate lines of text, which can be deleted as well. So you delete it and then resend it to the phone, so it sort of wipes it off. If I wanted to add some, it's dead easy to do again via the app. So I just wanted to show you that. In a second, I'm going to show you how quickly I can do it on the fly and add some more text. Right, I've had to load the app onto a different phone because I do all my filming on a phone. So this has been a bit tricky. So there's the app there. And what I'm going to do, hopefully, is I'm going to send that to the laser. And lo and behold, it now says happy birthday. To me, which it's not my birthday, can I just say. That's how simple it was. Now, you will have noticed there that the Phase 1 bit that I had written on it disappeared. Because when I've sent it using this phone, it's overwritten what's on the laser. If I had been using the phone that I'm filming with, it would have kept that, because I can add another line. So if I want to add another line and go, hello, and let's put that into blue, and I'll go send, I think what we should get is happy birthday, and then hello. How easy was that? So that just shows you how intuitive and how easy it is. And that's just the text features. So you could do the drawing features. We could do the change the animations and stuff like that. Just quickly going back to here. If I want to all of a sudden go to the random So now it's in random mode. It'll do all kinds of things. If I want to put it in animation mode, just press animation, it goes in animation mode, and it'll run through the animations. And remember, we can go in and edit that. So we can click in and start turning off all the different animations. How quickly they're going to run, fast, slow, what colours. We've got all that control. So if I want to now just go to outdoor, I don't know why it's called outdoor, but it puts a line. I'm going to edit that. I think it will speed it up. And it just shows different lines. Don't know why it's called outdoor. If we want it in a different colour, put it in yellow. This is how simple this app is to use. If we want to go, you can do your DMX, you can do your own programming. So if you want to do your own programming, go into there, set your different scenes, how long you want them to run. It just works. There's the Christmas one, and it's going to go through all the Christmas animations, which are a bit mad and a bit bonkers. But again, going into there, you can turn on and off which ones you want on. So at the minute, I've only got 3 playing. There's up to 50 different ones. I can speed it up, I can slow it down, I can put it into music mode, all via the app. Clever stuff. It's very smart. Right, just before I put some smoke in the room, I just thought I'd show you some of the built-in beam patterns and tunnels and stuff like that. But I am going to turn the camera around shortly and I'll show you some stuff in smoke. But this is just running through its bits and bobs. Again, using the app, I could change whatever I want to do. So if I just wanted it in red, I can just have it in red just by pressing that button. If I wanted to go yellow, you can see it pretty instantly happen straight away. I'll put it into RGB and then we'll get all the different colours, and I can speed up, slow down, put it into sound mode. But I'll give you an idea. We've all seen lasers before. Let's have a look at it from the other side with a bit of smoke. So we've put a bit of smoke in the room. Just want to give you the basic idea. We don't have to run through everything, but I think you would agree that that is mega bright. We're just in our storeroom / lighting room at the moment. The warehouse is full, so stock is actually spilling over into this room. But I think that'll certainly give you an idea of the colours. And that looks epic. So that, wow, it's bright enough. Plenty of patterns in there, plenty of animations built in. Control, Bluetooth control. I love it. I think it's a genius idea. I think it makes it very simple to use. It was very intuitive. Download the app. Download the app now. Remember, it's called Light Elf, and it is available in the App Store and on Android as well. If you want some more information on pricing, you need to click the description in this video, and it will take you through to our website. But I think what you get in there is a lot of bang for your buck. Really nice effect. That is the Citronic Animate Smart. I like it. Remember, if you like our videos, hit subscribe. Thank you.